Let me tell you a hard truth. Your research can be excellent. Your data can be perfect. But if you submit to the wrong journal, rejection is almost guaranteed. And the worst part? Most rejections happen before reviewers even read your paper. Today, I'll show you exactly how to choose the right journal for your medical paper. Step by step, the same way editors expect you to. Now, what do most doctors actually do? This is the biggest mistake in medical publishing. Because journal selection is not about prestige, it's about fit. Every journal clearly mentions what type of studies they accept. Some journals focus mainly on randomized trials. Some prefer large datasets. Some publish mainly reviews. If you send a cross-sectional study to a trial-focused journal, you'll get desk rejection within days. Not because your research is bad, but because it simply doesn't belong there. If your study is about community health in rural India, a journal focusing on Western hospital-based data may not find it relevant. Editors always ask one question: will my readers care about this? So always read the journal's aims and scope section carefully. It tells you exactly who they publish for. For degree, any recognized indexed journal may be enough. For promotion, you may need UGC CARE or Scopus indexed. For international recognition, PubMed indexed journals matter. So don't chase indexing blindly. Choose indexing based on your purpose, not your ego. Some journals take 1 year to publish. Some charge very high fees. Some rarely accept studies like yours. Go to the journal website, search for papers similar to your topic, and see where your work fits. This one step alone can save you months of wasted time. Let me tell you something important. Right journal selection can increase your acceptance chance by 40 to 50%. Most papers are rejected not because the science is poor, but because they were sent to the wrong journal. So before you click that submit button, pause, check these 4 steps, and submit smart. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.